Mutton Degi Pulao. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious mutton degi pulao at home. Add mutton and some spice in pressure cooker. Add dry coriander, cumin and water. Now mutton cooked well. Add oil. Now brown the onion. Added chopped onions. Add ginger and garlic paste. Green chili added. Chopped tomatoes added. Add boiled mutton. Add Degi Mutton Pulao masala. Add salt. Red chili powder added. Add water. Add soaked rice. Cooked well. Add brown onions. Ready for eat delicious mutton degi pulao. Tasty and recipe according to restaurant style. Make and eat at home. Thanks for watching.